Welcome back to Preschool Genius. Today, we're gonna play and learn about different types of sports balls. Let's get started. Can you guess what kind of sports that use this kind of ball? Table tennis ball. According to research, table tennis activates more parts of the brain than any other sport.
Don't forget to subscribe!
Shuttlecock. The shuttlecock skirt is made up of 16 goose feathers, and these feathers come from the left wing only. Pickleball. Did you know that pickleball is one of the fastest growing sports in the United States? Rugby ball. Initially, rugby balls were more spherical and plum-shaped as they were made from pigs' bladders. Handball. Handball is an exhilarating team sport that combines elements of soccer, basketball, and netball. Lawn ball. Playing lawn bowl offers several benefits, including improved coordination, mental stimulation, and the opportunity to stay active. Table tennis ball, shuttlecock, pickleball, rugby ball, handball, lawn ball. Thanks for watching. I hope you are enjoying playing with us today. See you in the next video. Bye.